back for layout number 2 for the Webster Pages knockoff kit, The Good Life. And this one is a companion page to go with page 1 that I did previously. I'll leave links below. But before I get to the layout, I wanted to share with you, I got my Happy Mail. I ordered these on National Scrapbooking Day, and they came in today, so I thought I would share them with you. These are from Gina Marie Designs. They're enamel dots. I think they were $2.25 a packet. These are like water drops, color water drops. I really like those. And then these as well, they have like a pearl water drop to it. Then we have the blues with, there's RTS's Jadeite Green. I'm sure she has those. These are my colors that I like to put together, is this green, orange, and yellow. That makes me happy. Some taupe, some orange. This is the red with a taupe and a darker brown. And then she also sent along these pink little rhinestones as a thank you. So thank you very much, Gina Marie. So I thought I'd share those because that made me happy. And then we're going to move on to page 2, which is called The Middleman. And once again, this came from RTS's International Scrapbooking Patreon weekend. And basically what this is, let me measure real quick here, 8-inch by 12 piece of paper that goes right across the middle of your page, which takes up a lot of real estate. This here, I'm going to do a grid design within the middle part. My paper says I love you. This is one of the thinner pieces of paper that were in my kits. Like I explained previously, I want to get those used up so they don't get ripped and wrinkled. So I'm putting it on a harder, heavier piece of cardstock, craft, and that should protect it. And then this one is my graph paper. I have a lot to say to my daughter. This is going to be a note to my daughter. And I'm not going to back this one in white. I'm going to leave the I love you coming through. So, and then for this, you take an inch, I believe these were an inch, 1 by 12. And I took this floral paper. So if you remember, page 1 had this thin floral paper and this craft paper going down the side. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to make it a companion page by bringing in the graph paper, bringing in these 2 types of paper, so it kind of makes it a little more consistent. Okay, so also we had this on the other page, and I'm going to bring in just some of this blue. And these are this is just scraps from what I used before. So we'll do that as a rough cut. So what I'm going to do up here is I have this every day is a fresh start. And that's basically what I want to tell my daughter, that every day is a fresh start. I do have these punch outs from that really old, I don't even know where it's from. I think it was from the dollar store at Joann Fabrics. I'll put that up there. And then these flowers also came from that. And once again, I just went through that bin of different tchotchkes that I put in that container. And I found stuff that would go with this page. And then I just started laying it down. I started doing my clusters. So we have that. I only have 3 pictures. So what I did is I went into the 6x8 paper pad, the Auburn Lane, and I found this Thankful. It was smaller, so I thought I would give it a backing. And I found this that's been kicking around my spaces for years. So I thought I would put there. And what I thought I would do is I would kind of do this floral here. Hopefully it'll go in. And then I'm going to cut some of it off. Doesn't all need to be on there. And basically what I'm saying, I am forever thankful. So I use those little stickers. And again, I think that these little stickers, They were in the dollar store at Joann Fabrics as well. They used to have that dollar section. And I used to be a Girl Scout leader, so I bought these and for cards that we used to do. The girls used to make cards and their leftovers. So this up here, I'm missing a piece because I had to cut this. So here we go. So what I think I'm going to do, so my piece wasn't big enough. Obviously, you can see that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. And then you won't see the seam. I'm going to pop that up, fresh start. And then, hopefully, get those flowers up. I'm going to put that like that. And then I'm going to write something across there. I'm not sure what yet. I also have these pieces that I can tuck up at the top so it can match this, which I'll probably end up doing that. I'll probably tuck those up there. I have this real life, which I'll probably put on a pop dot because it's real life. It was really scary. And then I have the heart. Here I cut that out of a Vicky Bouton collection. And that was sitting on my desk from a Palooza that I did where we had to cut out all the hearts. And they're just laying on my desk, so I thought I would use those. And then my pictures. I have them printed this time. What I'm going to do, here's the grid portion of it. So this will come up underneath here. And I did it so the two small are diagonal. And this will come up here. And this is hiding the picture, but that's okay because it's just a bunch of grass. So we don't need to see it. So basically, this is the middleman. It's pretty easy. I wanted to make sure that you could see the I love you through the paper. That was one of the big things for me. I wanted to, so my second page has a cluster down here. I'm sorry, my first page. So that cluster will marry with that first page, and then I'll have this up here. So it's kind of like a diagonal. And I did have this taxi cab that I was going to try and put somewhere. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not because her car was totaled. So she does not have transportation, and I thought it would be funny, but I don't know. I don't know if I'll use it. I probably won't. So I will come back and show you my final pages once I have the pictures laid down. Thank you. Bye-bye. So here's my final layout. Have it all glued down. Pretty much how I laid it out. I didn't change much. I put the pictures on there. Here's my daughter's car, the car that she hit. That went up into some brick. So this is my page 2, and every day is a fresh start, and I want to talk to her about learning from mistakes and to really pay more attention to things in life. And this is going to be the companion page to this. So that, how I said, I brought in this on both pages, and then I also brought in this on both pages. Did not use my punch. This is my title, so that's a title for both pages, and I'm really happy how it turned out. I will do my journaling, and then I will be done with this. Moving on to layout 3. Thank you.